So today is the day I'm going to be installing my bumper onto my car. But first, we have to install some parts onto the bumper before I put them on my car. And these are the parts that I'm going to be putting onto my bumper while it's still off the car, because once I put it on, I won't have access to them. So I'm just going to be doing this, and then it will be on the car. So we have the bumper reflectors, which I'll be putting on before I put it on. We also have the valances, center and the side. These will add the sporty looks to my car. Since I have the Corolla S, these will add that aftermarket sporty look that they were going for. So as you see, we have holes on the back of my bumper. Since I have the sport ones, I got them with the holes, with the spoilers, that's what they're called, with the spoiler holes. And then I also have to order from Amazon the clips that'll be attaching these. These are the clips that I'll be using to attach them onto my bumper. And I had to order them separately. I wish these websites, they would provide the parts to attach them. So we'll be starting with the sides first. And then we have our clips to keep it locked in. And now we just repeat that on the other side. Now we attach the center. Leaving Lowe's. Had to get some sealant to seal my bumper, the spots where the clips don't pull it close, and also some waterproofing so it doesn't get water in it. So we have my bumper, we have the observer that's going to be going on the reinforcement bracket. I went ahead and took the 2 bolts. You'll be using a 10mm socket wrench as one here and one over here.
See, there's a clip there, which goes to this one right here. And we have the bolt, and that's going to go here. We have another one that's going to go here. Here.
There's also I was telling you about earlier. Go ahead and secure that. Now you go ahead use these pins and go ahead and secure everything that's underneath the bumper. You can't see, it's right here, and then we have to attach this and then do it on the other side. And we have the finished product. We have the bumper, it's on, it's all secured, side, the clips here at the bottom, the 2 bolts back here. Also, we have 2 more clips underneath right here. They are all screwed in and attached, and we have the bumper on the car. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you can see more videos like this, and thank you for watching.